Are you looking for the best drone? In this video, we will break down the top drones on the market. Before we get started with our video detailing the best drones on the market, we've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting off at number 1, we have the DJI Mavic Pro. The DJI Mavic Pro has been designed to be taken anywhere when you feel like flying or need to capture an astonishing view. Unfold it and you're basically ready to go in under a minute. The Mavic has been carefully shrunk down to fit in your bag without skipping on technology. Also, without sacrificing some of the great features that make the drone the great flyer it is. The Mavic makes capturing an epic tracking shot of your friend easy, as it comes with a spotlight mode where the camera stays focused on your subject while you're flying around. The Mavic's expertly miniaturized gimbal keeps the entire camera steady, in addition to the fact that you don't have to deal with the weight of a bulky add-on camera. Furthermore, the Mavic relies on a 5-sensor system to recall locations and connect with up to 20 satellites, so it can head back by itself. Last and not least, this drone comes with precision landing technology that enables it to land exactly where it took off. Also, the ability to avoid objects as its path. It also has sport mode to make your pulse and blood pumping while you fly at an incredible 40 miles per hour. Trace mode enables you to follow behind your targets while they move. With just a few simple taps, everything can be controlled using the gamepad-sized controller you carry in your pocket. The main issues with this drone are its instability and strong winds, and object avoidance only works when flying forward. But make no mistake, whether you're a novice or a flying ace, the Mavic Pro is one of the best drones you can buy. At number 2, we have the DJI Phantom 4 Pro. If you need amazing aerial imaging, a brilliant camera, an aircraft you can trust, as well as the intelligence to create cinematic shots, the DJI Phantom has you covered. The Phantom 4 is equipped with an f2.8 apertures mechanical shutter and large 1-inch sensor combined together to make brighter, sharper, and more detailed imagery in scenes. In addition to recording cinematic 4K videos at 60 frames per second, with more advanced compression and a wider dynamic range that records stunning detailed slow-motion aerial videos. Thanks to the new ultra-bright 5.5-inch monitor, you can see your screen perfectly in direct sunlight. Moreover, this drone has light bridge technology installed within that enables it to automatically detect interference sources and switch transmissions for more reliability. The Phantom 4 is as adept in stills as it is with video, capturing every detail at 20 megapixels. It has a built-in mechanical shutter that eliminates rolling shutter bending, and also comes with burst mode to capture the perfect moment. Reverse tap fly has also been added in order to capture flying selfies. Last up, the Phantom 4 has a plethora of sensors in the rear, sides, and downwards for a more worry-free flying experience. The Phantom 4 comes with 3 new smart flight modes. Profile mode that tracks your subject horizontally, Spotlight mode locks the camera on a subject regardless of your direction, and Circle mode that swings 360 degrees around the subject. Unfortunately, the Phantom 4 can be pricey for some, and slightly big for others. Apart from that, it doesn't get any more professional than this drone. At number 3, we have the Parrot AR.Drone 2.0. The Parrot AR.Drone 2.0 isn't the newest thing on the market, but it has a ton of cool features, colors, and parts which are most reasonably priced compared to other drones. There are various versions of the AR 2.0 from the common blue and orange to the Elite version, and the Power Edition upgraded with more tricks and a longer battery life. The camera loads up on the screen and controls are inside the camera screen, which make it easy to control especially if you are used to playing on your phone. The drone comes with a battery that lasts from 12 to 15 minutes. It has a 720p and an autopilot feature, and it actually has a fairly sturdy build. It's compatible with both iOS and Android, and very easy to connect and set up the app with your phone. On the downside, the software of the AR 2.0 is glitchy, the camera quality is a bit lackluster, you can't use it without a smartphone, and the battery life is so short. Bottom line, although this isn't the best drone out there, if you're new to drones and have a few bucks to spend, this is a great place to start. At number 4, we have the DJI Inspire 1. The DJI Inspire 1 gives you everything you need for aerial filmmaking and photography, as it's integrated into the advanced and sophisticated turnkey system. Specification-wise, the Inspire 1 weighs 6.5 pounds with a 6000 mAh battery included. The camera supports 4K video recording capability, both full 4K in 24 and 25p, as well as Ultra HD 4K in 24 to 25 and 30p, at up to 60 frames per second, and the lens offers a 94-degree view. In flight, the Inspire 1 feels extremely stable, even at high altitude, and with strong winds. This drone also has the ability to set a dynamic home point, thanks to its advanced GPS technology. Another feature that has been introduced by DJI via this drone is optical flow, a downward-facing camera that helps with the stabilization of the unit by tracking the terrain below. The Inspire 1 advanced and ready-to-fly design is lightweight and flexible and will allow you to start flying right away. It's actually a whole new model, not just an upgrade to the other Phantom products. It uses a 3-axis gimbal system with a full 360-degree pan range, allowing the camera to maintain a fixed angle on a subject no matter how the drone moves. The Inspire 1 is also compatible with both iOS and Android. All you need to do is connect your device into the remote control and you're all set. The only major drawback to the Inspire 1 is its very short battery life, and to a smaller degree, its high price. But all in all, if you want a professional aircraft and filmmaker, the Inspire 1 is definitely worth the money. And for our final pick at number 5, we have the Cheerson Hobby CX20 Pro. The CX20 Pro is a full-size quadcopter that's in direct competition with other full-size models, like the DJI Phantom series. Its low price makes it stand out among its competition. Therefore, you're definitely getting a good deal here in terms of features, product quality, and price. As far as performance goes, the CX20 max speed is 22 miles per hour, has a 300-meter control distance, 300-meter altitude ability. 300 meters is a respectable distance and altitude for a quadcopter, and its flight time is estimated around 15 minutes. Furthermore, the CX20 comes with a multitude of smart functions, like the return home function, fixed position hover, altitude hold, and auto landing failsafe. The Cheerson CX20 has the ability to hover in a fixed position with the flick of a switch, maintain a steady altitude to make video recording easier, and when the battery gets low, it will automatically land in order to prevent a spent battery crash. And intelligent orientation control in case the drone gets into a spin. It immediately corrects its course and adjusts its position. Last up, the CX20 is compatible with GoPro cameras and has an LED light system to alert you when the drone is turning. You could quite easily crash the Cheerson CX20 and damage it badly. Aside from that, it's an amazing drone with a very low price tag. So that sums up our top drones of 2020. We hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like on the video, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, have a great day.